This is a new beef abattoir plant. We just finished the installation. Check their slaughtering plant building. Steel structure, but with 60 centimeters concrete on the bottom. Cattle pens. This is killing floor. This slaughterhouse, they slaughter 150 per shift cattle. This is cattle passageway. Enter this pneumatic standing box. Safety piles. The cattle will release here and be hoisted, be lifted here. That is the crane to lift the cattle feet, crane hook. Lift to the pipe bleeding rail. This is platform to do the rail changing and the cutting hooks. Hook cutter. They will change rail here from pipe rail to dual track rail to double track rail. After changing rail, the bleeding shackle chain will return through this pipe rail. Through this pipe rail to this hoisting position, and they will hoist another cattle to the bleeding rail. After changing rail, cattle carcass will go through this dual track rail. This is high puller, hydraulic high puller, hydraulic station. Hydraulic station, high pulling column. Let's check the installation. Auxiliary plate, expansion bolt into the ground. The ground have to be at least 15 centimeters, the cement depth. And the upper side welded into the steel girder. After high puller, the workers will use this double column pneumatic lifting platform with a gutting bucket. To take out the white offal of the cattle and slide through this chute to the offal room, offal processing room. This is evisceration platform, pneumatic evisceration platform. Steel girder supported by the stand column. From the cattle standing box, they are using the stand column to fix the steel girder. 1 column, 2 column, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the cooling room support column.